Hello and welcome to Chapter 3, Lesson 4. Today we're going to be talking about comparing to solve problems. So here we have additive comparisons use addition or subtraction to compare. Now let's look at this word. Multiplicative comparisons use multiplication or division to compare. Okay, so additive comparisons will use words like how much more, how many more, how much less. Those are additive comparisons, right? We're going to be comparing two things, and we either need to add or subtract. Multiplicative comparisons would say, how many times more? How many times greater? Okay, they could also say how many times less. That'd be a division, right? Or, yeah, that'd probably be it. So we've got additive, which is adding, subtracting. Let's write that in there. Adding, subtracting. And multiplicative would be multiplying and dividing. So that's kind of confusing, but let's just get started. Once we do some examples, you'll say, oh, okay, I get it. So let's get started. Example 1. Brian has been to a water park 4 times. Brian, 4 times. Sarah has been to the water park 3 times as many times as Brian. How many times has Sarah been to the water park? So what we need to do is we need to write an equation. That means we need an equal sign to find the unknown, which is how many times Sarah has been to the water park. You can use a letter or a variable to represent the unknown. Okay, so 4 times. He went 4 times, and Sarah has been there 3 times as many as Brian. So 4 times 3 is going to equal S, or the amount of times Sarah has gone to the water park. So if I was going to draw a picture to show 3 times as many as 4, or 3 groups of 4, so if this is Brian, went 4 times, Sarah went 3 times as many. There we go. So Brian went 4. Sarah went 3 times 4. So we've got 3 on this side, 4 on that side. Okay, so that would be called an array, just to jog your memory on that vocabulary term there. So since S is 12, Sarah has been to the water park 12 times. All right, let's do another one. Jess has 18 baseball cards. She has 6 times as many baseball cards as Max. So if I take Max times 6, that's going to equal Jess, Sarah's the last lady, which is 18. Okay, so we have our unknown times 6, because she has 6 times as many, equals 18. So what times 6 equals 18? So I could do 18 divided by 6. So if I have 18 and I divide it into 6 groups, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So one group of 6 is 6, 2 groups of 6 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now I have 18. So I have 3 on this side, and I have 6 on this side. Notice I have 6 in each row and 3 in each column. So I know that 18 divided by 6 is 3. So that means that 3 times 6 is 18. Right? There are 3 squares in each group, and I've got 6 groups. So the box, the unknown is 3, so Max has 3 baseball cards. Okay, here's guided practice here. Sue has 3 times as many beads as Joe. So if I took Joe and I multiplied it by 3, I would have Sue, right? Because Sue has more. She has 3 times as many beads. So if Joe has 8 beads, I would have to take 8, Joe's beads, times 3. It's going to equal Sue's. How many beads does Sue have? Write an equation to find the unknown number. use a variable, which is just a letter for the unknown. So I need to do 3 times 8 equals B. So that means B equals, what is 3 times 8? So 1, 8 is 8. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. B is equal to 24. This is on the homework page, so just bear with me here. Write an equation to find the unknown number. Use a symbol for the unknown. Okay, so Julie earned $25. So this, the $25 is, remember when we say, whenever I see is, I know that's where the equal sign is, 5 times as much as what Lisa earned. Okay, so we know 25 is 5 times L for Lisa's money. How much money did Lisa earn? So 5 groups of what get us to 25? Well, I know that 5 times 5 groups of 5, right? If I count on my fingers, how many are 5 groups of 5 worth? I get 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I know that the L is equal to 5. I could draw it out too and do 25 divided by 5. So I could go 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25. So how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 5 make 25. All right, number 2. The red team scored 4 goals. The blue team scored 3 times as many goals. How many goals did the blue team score? Red team scored 4. Blue team scored 3 times. So if I take 4 times 3, it's going to give me the blue team's goals. 4 groups of 3. Be 3, 3, 3, 3. If I add them together, I would get 6 plus 6 is 12. B is equal to 12 goals. And this should be $5. There we go. All right, that's all I have for you for today. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.